Writing Qlik Sense expression can become time-consuming very quickly, especially when working with dynamic date filters and set analysis. In this video, I will show you how I use ChatGPT to help build Qlik Sense expression faster using a simple real-world example. In today's example, I will be creating a dynamic last 12 months filter using a year-month field. One common requirement in Qlik Sense dashboard is automatically showing the current month plus the previous 11 months without manually updating filters every month. Instead of writing everything from scratch, I will use ChatGPT to generate a starting point for the expression. Here is the prompt I will be using. Create a Qlik Sense expression that dynamically filters data to show the current month and previous 11 months using a year-month field as so. Here is my prompt. Create a Qlik Sense expression that dynamically filters data to show the current month and previous 11 months using year-month field as this. I'm going to send my prompt. As you can see, ChatGPT generates a dynamic set analysis expression that can be used as a starting point. Okay, so you can see my expression, the set analysis expression right here, and you can also see the result that is being returned dynamically. Okay, we're showing the current month. That what we're going to be showing is the current month, the previous last month, which is going to be total rolling 12 months. So for example, if today is May 2026, then we have to go all the way back to June of 2025. Now, this is the important part. Even though ChatGPT helps speed up development, you still need to validate the logic inside Qlik Sense. I usually review date formatting, field names, syntax structure, and whether the expression matches business requirement. AI is extremely useful for accelerating development, but testing and refinement are still necessary. For repetitive tasks like set analysis, date filtering, and troubleshooting expressions, ChatGPT can save a significant amount of time during development. The key is using AI as a workflow assistant rather than assuming every generated expression is production ready. If you found this useful, subscribe for more Qlik Sense tips, BI workflow tutorials, and AI-powered reporting strategy.